Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me, but I couldn't do it all alone.
Welcome back to another tutorial. Y'all know what time it is. It is Series 1 Episode 3, honey. Today's tutorial is going to be featuring some more of my lovely dolls. The name of this tutorial is random. So we all were kind of deciding different kind of looks. So we just wanted to make this a random theme. We couldn't come up with one. So everybody had different ideas and different themes to come up with, so we couldn't choose it. So this is a random kind of theme. But I did this, and I don't usually do smoky eyes like this, so this will be my first smoky eye that I'm bringing to you all, but it's a cut crease version. So with that being said, it looks like a smoky eye, but it's actually a cut crease. So you can do it like this, or you can do it just like slapping the lid color on and adding the glitter. But the cut crease looks smoky overall. It doesn't matter how you do it, it's still looking like a smoky eye to me. Like I said, I don't really do these looks a lot, only because sometimes they make my eyes look like a black eye, so I really don't tend to go towards these looks. But I came on this channel today to bring you this look. So I ain't gonna talk too much. I'm gonna tell y'all, if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. But don't forget to go check out the dolls in the description right below. All the links will be down there, so don't forget to go check them out. And if their video isn't up, still go subscribe to them, because sometimes we can be a little bit late with the videos. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Alright, back, honey. This is doll game number 3, honey. Number 3. I'm pushing them looks out there, honey, and we are about to slay this one. Try to slay this one. I already primed my eyelids off camera with medium beige by LA Girl Pro Concealer, and then I set it with Sasha Buttercup and eyebrows. Y'all already know I use Ebony. That's no question. So I'm taking my Modern Renaissance palette, this shade right here. I'm just gonna pop that right on the brow bone using the Morphe 212. Write down every brush that I'm telling you, because I don't want you guys to forget. I need you guys to write down every brush because I know somebody is going to ask in their comment section, and I do not want them to be like, what brush did you use? I'm telling you right now. Without you, you'll be mine. Mama told me to do pink, so that's what we're gonna do today, and we're gonna add some berries to deepen it up, y'all. You know I love my berries. I don't know why I keep using those, but honey, those be sure popping. Start off, I want to take my 35X palette, which is this one. Take this a light pink shade, the lightest pink that you can get. Use it first as your first transition color, and then start your way to deepening up the crease. So the first brush that I'm going to use is my Morphe 504 brush to put this transition shade, which is the pink one, right under that brow bone area. And you can also go inside the brow bone just a little bit. It's not going to take away the brow bone. Trust me, it's going to be there, and it's going to be Shapapa's feel. I just go with the shape of my eyes. I know sometimes I don't have to, but I don't want none of that concealer showing, none of that showing. So I just cover everything up with my shadow. Take that same Morphe palette right here, and we're gonna go in with this hot electric pink kind of shade to kind of deepen it up. So you see how this first shade is just like a wash up color, and it just went on smoothly, but it wasn't like too harsh. It was kind of diffused. Take my Morphe R37 brush. I'm going to switch the brushes up just a little bit. I'm taking my MAC 221 brush, which looks like this, and this is going to precisely get this in the crease area. And I want to take my Sephora Editorial palette and go back in with that berry shade. That berry shade and Love Letter in the crease area. Black, I always go into my Gwen Stefani palette by Ebony Decay. And I'm just going to put this in the outer V area. Yeah, I'm just going to put this in the outer V area. The brush that I'm using before I start, because I was just about to start, it's a Sigma E36 brush. It looks like it's extremely cut. Like it, when you put this on, it's cut to the gods. Concealer is cut, but it's not like as defined as the white base. However, this takes a long time to dry, and maybe it's because I'm putting too much, or I don't know. But the concealer, it dries quick and it cuts good, but it's not as defined as white base. The brush that I use to cut, because everyone is going to ask, is a flower brush, and you can get this from Walmart. Certain Walmart sell it. Goes to the corner, so I'm just going to map that right there. I'm going to take this Poshmetics palette, the same brand as the highlighters. So they did come out with a palette, and I'm going to use this pretty sparkly black to set on the white areas. To use glitter, and the glitter that I want to use is, what's this from? GlitzMetic, and this is called Dance Party.
Hey ma, what's that? Let's slide. Alright. And we gon' get
like the glitter. I really like the glitter. It just looks like a smoky glitter eye. That's what it looks. I'm about to go in with this Eloise Get Glow Rose Illuminizer, and I'm going to put this all over the face first.
Let's slide.
Matte. I'm going back and checking back to Fix Food in the shade NW50
and I approach baby like mom, what's your Asian type? She looked at me and said, hey, you's a baby, right? I told her I'm 18 and live a crazy life. Plus I'll tell you what the 80s like, and I know what the ladies like. Need a man that's polite, listens and takes advice. Well, I could be all three. Plus I could lay the pipe. Come with me, come stay the night. She looked at me laughing like, boy, your game is tight. I'm laughing back like, show you right, get in the car. And don't touch nothing, sit in the car, let's discuss something. Either we love or not, see you tomorrow. And now we're speeding up the west side and creeping up the left side. I'm ready to do it, ready to bone, ready for dawn. 50-50 exit, damn, we already home. Now let's get it on.
What's that? Let's slide. Alright, and we gon' get it on tonight. You smoke, I drink, well good, cause we gon' get it on tonight. Got drops, got trucks, alright, cause we gon' take a ride tonight. So mom, let's slide, alright, and we gon' get it. I got a girl, my ex wanna holler and spit. Told me to acknowledge it quick. She like mashed out frontin' on that Dave House to tip. Come over, let's swallow and sip. I'm like, mama's sick, I promise you dick. Usually have a problem with chicks, why? They all say I'm riding and rich, but not her. Boobies real, high heel doobie feel. Plus got them Gucci wheels, yeah. You a cutie still, and it's my down girl too. Ain't no groupie deal. We left the movies with Uzi, Suzuki wheels to the jacuzzi. I tell you my boobies real, yeah. I mean she do be winning, Louis spinning. Go to the crib, she got the Gucci linen. I see Booby grinning. She looked and said, Nash, I know that you'll be sinning. Nah, I'm a changed man, look at the range, man. I got a whole new game plan. Looked and said, that's nothing but game, Nash. She was right, she was up in the range. Man. Dropped her off at the L, now I'm flipping the cell. That's right, I had to call up L. Yo, L. I hit, plus don't. Say what? And we
what I used on my face. What I used on my face was y'all saw the foundation, but I used the Cavani always because it's full coverage under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, and on the forehead area. And then for contour, I use my Anastasia Beverly Earth, and I use this Thealer contour kit thing that MJ let me borrow for today. And I use this chocolate shade, and it's like real chocolate. So the Anastasia is really warm, and then this one is like chocolate. So you can use that in the inner part, and then you can use the Steeler kit on around the perimeters, so it can have this like great effect.
And we gon' get it on tonight. You smoke, I drink, well good, cause we gon' get it on tonight. Got drops, got trucks, alright.
Oh, and it's time to bronze up the skin. So I'm not going to use my D4 today. What I'm going to use is my CoverGirl Queen collection, and this is in the shade Ebony. This is the bronzer, and I'm going to take my Morphe R2 brush to bronze my skin up.
And I know what the ladies like. Need a man that's polite, listens and takes advice. Well, I could be all three. Plus I could lay the pipe. Come with me, come stay the night. She looked at me laughing like, boy, your game is tight. I'm laughing back like, show you right, get in the car. And don't touch nothing, sit in the car, let's discuss something. Either we love or not, see you tomorrow. And now we're speeding up the west side and creeping up the left side. I'm ready to do it, ready to bone, ready for dawn. 55th exit, damn, we already home. Now let's get it on.
Let's slide, alright. And we gon' get it on tonight. You smoke, I drink, well good, cause we
I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus Spray. Highlighters I want to take is the Master Chrome from Beverly, and then also Opal from Becca.
I got a girl, my ex wanna holler and spit. Told me to acknowledge it quick. She like mashed out frontin' on that Dave House to tip. Come over, let's swallow and sip. I'm like, mama's sick, I promise you dick. Usually have a problem with chicks, why? They all say I'm riding and rich, but not her. Boobies real, high heel doobie feel. Plus got them Gucci wheels, yeah. You a cutie still, and it's my down girl too. Ain't
I
no
did go
groupie
in
deal.
with
We left
Inglaterra lining. The brush I take to go on the lower lash line is a Morphe 432 brush, taking those transition shades and putting them at the bottom.
I see Booby grinning. She looked and said, Nash, I know that you'll be sinning. Nah, I'm a changed man. Look at the range, man. I got a whole new game plan. Looked and said, that's nothing but game, Nash. She was right.
So to smoke it out, I'm going to take my Morphe E36 brush.
That's right, I had to call up L. Yo, L. I hit, plus don't. Say what? And we got it on tonight. Hey, mom. Let's slide, alright, and we gon' get it on tonight. You smoke, I drink.
Alrighty now, I didn't know what lip to go with, so we're gonna give it a try. I think I'm going to do this magenta liner first, and then I'll go in with Candy Yummy.
And we gon' get it on tonight.
Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to go check out those lovely downs in the description bar below. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Comment if you like this look, because like I said, I was feeling a little iffy about this look. It's okay. It's not, you know, one of my normal looks that I usually do. So comment if you like this look. Tell me how you think about it. Tell me how you feel about it. But I absolutely love the glitter though. It's bomb. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. So the next tutorial will be Series 1, Episode 4. Tune for that one because we have some exciting looks coming up for that tutorial.